If you are anything like me and love wearing these really nice, big, wide brimmed hats, you know that it can be tough to travel with. And not even just travel with, but if you are, at home, you're heading to the pool, you're heading to the beach, and maybe you're not wearing it right away, you want to like put it on when it gets a little bit too hot, you still have nowhere to put it, because once you put it inside your bag, it's going to get all squished, and we don't want that. So now we have this really cool like travel purse clip. So this is really neat. I've seen a few of these ones before, but I've actually never seen one this nice. Love that you have this really easy to open clip right here. So you can clip this onto anything. You can clip it onto a purse. You can clip it onto a backpack. I just did my beach bag, because this will also be really great, on your backpack when you're traveling, when you have nowhere to put your hat. And so this is a really strong magnetic. Look, I'm actually struggling to open it. There we go. So super strong magnetic. And then all you do is you take the brim of your hat and you put it in between. And then as you can see, now it's not going anywhere. Now you can just grab your bag and go, and check that out. Your hat's hanging out here on the side. I don't have to squish it inside. It's not going to get all deformed. This is really great for as a like everyday use or traveling. I do love that it also comes in this really cute box, making it really giftable. And it also comes in black.